Hey guys, it's Mickey from It's a Southern Life, and today I just ran into Dollar Tree real quick. I was actually looking for some toothpaste, but I saw all this really cute Valentine's Day stuff that they were just putting out, and I just wanted to show y'all, so you can go up and grab it. All of this stuff is really cute and would be really good, I think, for a teacher or for a child in school that needs to give Valentines to their classmates. I love these little cards. They're quote-unquote homemade cards, but they're really cute. I really like them. And they also have the Dollar Days back out with these little bins with certain things. And I found actually a couple of interesting things. I found this down there is actually a fruit container. So I got two of those to give those a try, so I'll let y'all know. And then I found these really cool little flashlights that are handy for any time or anywhere use. You do have to put in 3 AAA batteries, so I will let you know that. But they were $1 and they're little LED lights, so I think that they were a really good deal. And I saw these light bulbs and I really didn't know what to think of them. I don't know how well they'll work or how long they will actually last for. So if y'all have got these and tried them, let me know so I can go and grab them. They also started putting out all their spring flower seeds, their gardening tools, gardening gloves. So I was actually really happy to see that. They also have some new colors for their organizing containers. That purple is really pretty. I like the teal and I grabbed a couple of those in the teal. These cute little Valentine's Day socks are just adorable. And here again is party stuff. I mean, this is awesome for if you are a parent and you're in charge of bringing things for the Valentine's Day party at the school. This is a really good option, and it's you get a lot for only $1. I was also very surprised to see these crackers. They are good crackers, and during Christmas time I brought a cheese plate somewhere and I spent $3.99 on a box for each of those, so I thought it was a really good deal for $1. I have been looking for these laundry bags and the lingerie laundry bag just to keep all your intimates separate and they don't get stretched when they're in the wash. And these pistachios I thought were a really good deal for $1 because pistachios are very, very expensive. Thank y'all so much for watching on this really short Dollar Tree trip. I'm so sorry I've been absent for a couple weeks. Just been really busy with work and with the holidays, but I am back in the swing of making YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.